Friday, and I'm about to make some chicken noodle soup. We are finna start. Let me rinse this out right quick. I'm gonna use 2 cans of carrots. I'm dropping in the carrots. I don't want to leave that in there. Another can. We are doing celery. I'm doing a whole rotisserie chicken. Broth in there, loosen up the juices. Alright, all the juices. Got some white onions. And some red. No peppers because I don't have any, and it's cold out there. I'm putting in a whole quart of chicken stock, and I'm going to fill this box up with water. Right. Seasonings. We're going to stir up everything. Oh, this soup is going to be so good. Alright, let's stir a little sea salt, some black pepper, doing some roasted garlic and herbs, some chicken bouillon, garlic, of course, soul food seasoning. Simmer. We're gonna let this simmer, y'all, before I put my pasta in. Alright, we're gonna let this simmer for a minute. So the soup is cooking. I put the noodles in there. And now I got the biscuits in the oven. The babies wanted biscuits, so I got my tea, got some crayons, and now I'm just gonna color. I don't know which book. I probably do a flower. Oh yeah, this is so intricate. Yeah, this will keep me busy all day. It is below 0, y'all, and we just relaxing, and I'm making a pot of soup. You know, we got our jammies on. I'm trying to find a cottage. Wait, here go. Is this one? Yeah, this kind of look like one. What y'all think? I don't know. Let me look through here. Now, this look like a farmhouse. I don't want that. Maybe this. I like this one. This look like a miniature castle. That's pretty too. I gotta get me some coloring books, y'all. I used to love coloring with my kids. Oh, this it right here. I'm finna do this one. Y'all see it? It's a cottage. It got flowers. Big old mushroom. Girl. Yes. Do y'all see all the stuff that my baby got? Look at all these pencils. Let me see. Let me check. Oh, she got 2 stacks of pencils?
Yeah, 3.
You know what? Yeah, we got 3 pencils in there. And we're going to use these markers. Look at that. It folds. It got the color thing in there. The little sticky things. I don't know what that is for, but she's a crafter, y'all. She's a crafter. She going to have to make me some candles. That's what we should be doing tomorrow. Candle making.
I just don't have no
With
fragrance oils. That's what I need, like the fragrances.
you got some oils, some body oils.
Body oils and the fragrance oils ain't the same thing. My
Oh.
body oils ain't meant to be on fire, mama.
Look at that. Look at that. Homemade chicken noodle. Let me check the noodle. Biscuits. That. We gonna try this, y'all.
And because he was going to... Girl, because soon as they got off the plane, the nigga got shot, and he was like the doctor nigga that's supposed to be finding a cure. Girl, as soon as he stepped off, like they was all protecting him. Girl, as soon as he stepped off the plane, like, okay. Well, there's that.
Listen, y'all. It's so good. It is so good.
Whenever something good, she gotta do that, pancake baker's